We're back in Cupertino for iPhones. It's iPhone season and the 16 is here. That's the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, the 16 Pro, and the 16 Pro Max. Should I talk about the button first? So we're getting a new button this year. It's called the camera control button. It's kind of a mashup of a mechanical button and there's some taptic controls, but basically it'll launch the camera app from wherever you are on the lock screen or the phone, and you can control some of the settings and take a picture or start video. It's pretty cool. I love a button. I love taking photos, so it's a win. Played around with it a little bit, and it's kind of funny getting a feel for it. You kind of have to push pretty hard to take a photo, and then you kind of have to do a light double tap to change the settings and slide your finger across to change the zoom or whatever. I don't know, I think I'll get used to it, but we'll see. So the camera control is on all 4 phones. Pro phones get an A18 Pro chipset this year, and they get bigger screens. Both of the phones are a little bit wider and a little bit taller, so there's just a little more screen real estate. The Pro is a 6.3-inch screen now, and the Pro Max is a 6.9-inch screen, which is huge. We got a new color this year called Desert Titanium, which is kind of a goldish color. It looks better than I thought it would in person. It looked a little bit brown in the rumors, I'm not gonna lie, and I like what they did here. There's a bunch of new camera features we didn't really get to test in this space. There's 4K video at 120 FPS now. There's a new microphone array, so some video stuff we're gonna have to put through the paces. So you'll notice right off the bat on the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus that the camera bump went kind of sideways this year. It looks a little different and it enables spatial video in case you have an Apple Vision Pro lying around at home. I don't know. There are new colors this year and they're definitely a lot more saturated than they were last year. So there's a teal, an ultramarine, and a pink, and they look great. So the regular iPhones come with an A18 chip this year. It's not a Pro chip, but it's in the same family. And what ties them all together is this Apple Intelligence, the set of AI features. We heard about it at WWDC. We heard a lot about it today. And the demo units we tested had some of those features live. We got the little glowing Siri and some of the AI writing features. But the catch is they're not going to be shipping on these phones. They're coming later this year and they'll be available first in beta. The 16 and the 16 Plus also get the action button that came on the Pro models last year. So that's a feature for everybody now. And you know, if you're feeling spicy, you can program your coffee order in there. I don't know, it's a free idea. All of the new iPhone 16 models are available to pre-order this Friday, September 13th. Spooky day. They're all gonna ship the following Friday, the 20th.